Bishop State Community College is very honored to have this 80,000 square foot brand new facility for manufacturing. One of the unique things about this facility is our process tech equipment, training equipment. That equipment was provided by Polaris. They're very good at providing a real-world situation where we can train our students on. Having a real-world application is not only important to students, but it's also important to our industry. If we're delivering a great student, not only does that serve the industry as a whole, but the whole community.
They guided us as we were looking at things to put into the process technology area. And so we leaned on that expertise to get equipment that was timely and equipment that was relevant, that had the curriculums already in place to make it easier on the instructor so that we wouldn't have to start at ground zero. We want to do the appropriate training so that on day one, when students go into the plants, that they're able to go ahead and add value. And so Polaris met that goal to where, the teachers won't have to reinvent the labs. It's extremely important because, we go through natural attrition, people retire, and things of that nature. And when you're building things from scratch, you lose that knowledge as personnel changes. And so having a standard-based curriculum makes it easier to transfer the knowledge from year to year and from day to day to the students, such that when I'm gone, Bishop State won't suffer. The Sys-Trans software is a simulation of a process plant, and students are able to walk through a process plant digitally. They're able to acknowledge alarms and faults and things of that nature that they will see in a control room in a plant. And so it gives us an analysis of what they would see in the real world, and they're also able to look at the plant digitally as a whole. And what we're seeing now, instead of us having to go out and search for different companies, they're looking at the great things that Bishop State offers, and they're coming to us now. That partnership is invaluable.
They make a point to understand what each local region needs as far as training equipment is concerned, and they take the effort to not only work with us, but also the industry members to make sure that we're delivering the training that's needed.
Polaris, they've certainly helped us achieve those objectives.
Visit us at systraninc.com.